And welcome to my newest home tour. Today I'm in Eastmark at the William Ryan Wavelength community, getting ready to tour this Sierra model right here. I'm Kathy Van Wert with eXp Realty, and I am here to help you find your new construction home. So I'm happy to take you on a tour of this model. I think you're going to love it. It's a two-story home, and a couple of things I really like about it is it has a downstairs guest suite with a full bath, and then also has an office downstairs as well as a loft upstairs and a couple other cool features that I think you're gonna like. So I'm gonna take you through this model now, and then at the end I'll do a quick drive through the neighborhood so you can see if it's a place that you would like to live. Okay, here we are at the Sierra floor plan. William Ryan Homes, Sierra. I like the little patio here. I am a big fan of this floor plan. Ooh, look at that. Guaranteed total energy bill, $251 a month. This is a pretty big house too. It's 2686 square feet, so that's one thing about these homes is they're super energy efficient and beautiful. Love what they did here with these walls. This floor plan is so great. Wait till you see the way they used all the space. Right here we have like an office. Nice bathroom here, some powder room. Got the living dining room combo. They've got a big gas stove in here. Large pantry. Check out the living room. Space from this side. Very nice space. Look at these floors too. Check out the outside really quick before we look at the downstairs bedroom. There is a bedroom down here, but here's a nice, huge patio. Got it all landscaped back here. No grass, but that's optional. You do what you want when it's your house. I love this big wall of windows too, because you know I'm a sucker for natural light. Got a couple closets here. Smart thermostat included. All right, so now we have the downstairs bedroom. So this is nice to have a bedroom downstairs. And it is a full, like, little guest suite almost, with its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. That's it. A shower. So nice downstairs bedroom. And of course, like I showed you, the office over there. Living and kitchen area, and then we'll go upstairs and see all the living areas up here, because of course we have the bedrooms, but we also have a nice loft at the top of the stairs here. So another area to hang out, watch TV, play games. There's a nice closet here. This is where I would store all my board games, because I have like 1,000 of them that nobody in my family ever wants to play with me, but sometimes I get them too. This also has a Jack and Jill bathroom, which I love this too. I love this pass-through bathroom for both bedrooms. So toilet and shower in one room, and then kind of getting ready area right here. And then the other bedroom right here. I'm a fan of that too. I like that. All right, let's check out the master bedroom. Now we're supposed to be calling it a primary bedroom now, and I just keep forgetting, so I apologize. I'll try to be better about it. Okay, primary bedroom. interesting wall again there. They've got a little door here to the patio, so you can have a little outdoor area here. Oh, look at that view. Superstition Mountains out there. There's a lot of construction going on up here. You can see freeways over there. 24. Right. All right, I want to show you one other really cool thing that I am a fan of in this floor plan. Not yet, it's not the bathroom, although it is a beautiful bathroom. It's this right here. Okay, so you got the closet, and the laundry room is right on the other side of the closet, right up here. Like, your clothes don't have to go very far at all. Right from your closet to your laundry room and right back to your closet. Love it. There's a window here too. You can see what you're doing when you're doing your laundry. And then there's another door right here to the loft for those poor souls that have to take their laundry all the way from their bedrooms down the hall. So that's it. This has been the Sierra model. What did you think? Did you think it was a great floor plan? I love it. And I am also really liking this community. The park over here is so great. I'm gonna show it to you. There's actually two of them, one little playground right here real close to me, and then there's one just a little bit further down the street that is one of the best parks in Eastmark, I think, for playgrounds for kids. So I'm gonna take you around, but first, before I do that, if you get value out of this content, if it's something that you like to see, please like this video and consider subscribing for more like it. Okay, so here's a little local park right here in the neighborhood. Got a nice play structure. Is this like a musical instrument thing going here? A merry-go-round. You know, they still did those things. I thought they were deemed too dangerous for modern children. Small, but it's here. And then this is really cool. You have this fire pit right here, and I guess the smoke goes up through this. And you get a code that you can just use it if you live here. You can come and use this whenever you want. So it's got a nice park here. And then I'll drive you around to show you the other one and some of the houses that are being built in the neighborhood as well. As a reminder, this neighborhood by William Ryan is called Wavelength. And as we drive through the neighborhood towards the awesome playground, you can see the homes that are already built here. They are getting close to closing out this neighborhood, and there are no more single-level homes being built. They do still have a few single-level homes available as quick move-in homes, and those are priced between $596,000 and $636,000. However, all the lots that they have open for people wanting to build from the ground up are reserved for two-story homes, like the Sierra model that we saw. They currently have a total of 7 quick move-in homes, including 3 different variations of the Sierra, and the prices are ranging from approximately $705,000 up to $760,000 for that floor plan, with the price difference being determined by the upgrades that they decided to build in. So if you'd like to go look at the different options they've built and see if one of them could be perfect for you, just send me a message and we will make that happen. And I do want to point out that this community is within the award-winning Eastmark community, so you do have access to all the Eastmark amenities. And if you're not familiar with Eastmark, I'll link a video here, which is a home tour, but at the end of that video, I did a pretty substantial tour of Eastmark and its amenities, including the community center and the pool, the fishing pond, some of the other playgrounds, the amphitheater, the coffee shop, and the skate park, just to name some of them. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, it's right here for you. And you just got a quick view of the additional playground as we rounded the corner that they have here near Wavelength. The park here is called Inspirian Peak because it's built on a hill. I think it's a really cool concept, and the kids are really going to love it. And we're gonna pull in here. I'll show you kind of a side view of it, and then we'll actually get out, take a look around, and maybe go down the slide. But first, here's an overview of the park. You can see it from the distance, the playground, and there's a restroom right there, parking lot, and there is a ton of seating, picnic tables, and with shaded areas. So lots of shaded seating, plenty of room for hanging out and, you know, watching your kids from a distance, or birthday parties, whatever. Plenty of space, plenty of parking. There's an additional parking lot on this side here. And before we round the corner, you know how I always like to point out the mountains. So they're still building over here in this section. There's the Superstition Mountains in the distance. And then we'll come right around here on the corner, and you can see again another angle of the playground and the slides coming down there off the hill. Big grassy area there. And here we are entering the Inspirian Peak Park, where, as you can see, there's a lot of play structures down below as well as above. Things you can look out from, bridges you can cross over, a lot of really uniquely designed play structures, things you can climb through, slides and climby things on a hill. What a view from the shaded seating up here as you decide whether or not you want to go down the slides. Because guess what?
Okay, if you stay to the end, you get a bonus. We're going down the slide.